Hello, welcome to the Evening Metals Daily News brought to you by Metals Update. I am Neha Kamble from the Mumbai office on 11th May 2017. Hindustan Zinc increased price of its zinc products today. In its bi-weekly price announcement, the company increased zinc prices by Rs 2,300 per metric ton. However, lead prices were decreased by Rs 500 per metric ton. Special high-grade zinc ingot is now priced at Rs 1,94,200 per metric ton, while lead of minimum 99.99% purity is now priced at Rs 1,69,400 per metric ton. The tepid iron ore and steel demand in China, in addition with the recent Chinese campaign to slash steel production for environmental restoration, is responsible for decline of iron ore futures by more than 5%, reaching its lowest price in the last 4 months. The iron ore futures price for September delivery settled at 459.5 RMB per ton, decreasing by 2.59% as compared to yesterday. The iron ore futures decreased by 6.7% over the past 3 months. Low demand and huge supply of steel making raw material at Chinese ports have resulted in high inventories at Chinese ports. Bangladesh government under the new law would levy 15% VAT or consumption tax on steel rod from 1st of July 2017. Currently, only 900 takas is levied on each ton of rod as VAT. The amount of VAT will increase to 7,500 taka at a market price of 50,000 takas per ton once the new laws come into effect. The imposition of 15% VAT might decrease the infrastructure development and housing construction, affecting both rural and urban areas of Bangladesh. DeLong Steel, China entered into a memorandum of understanding with Beijing Shaogang Mining Investment Company to acquire 51% stake of Anhui Shaokang Dachang Metal Company. If the deals get through, the company will have an annual production capacity of approximately 3.05 million tons and will principally be engaged in the manufacture and sale of steel bars and wire rods. Turkey's Toysali Holding has announced a joint venture with American industrial giant Harshco Corp in steel recycling and iron and steel slag cells at its steel facility in the southern province of Osmaniye. The venture would help the Turkish industry and economy by recycling the inactive slag which is stored in their iron and steel plants into value-added products. By this agreement with Tosyali, Harshco USA, which is one of the largest iron and steel industry suppliers, will enter the Turkish steel manufacturing sector for the first time. Metals Update assessed Iranian origin offers for hot rolled coil of Mubarak Steel Company available at $430 per metric ton FOB Bandar Abbas for Southeast Asian companies. Also, Iranian origin offers for steel slab produced by Kazakhstan Steel Company is available at $370 per metric ton FOB Bandar Abbas. Metals Update assessed offer of MS scrap from Mandi Gobindgarh market is Rs 21,600 per ton. Fresh scrap is being offered at 24,100 rupees per ton. Offers of MS ingots at Mandi Gobindgarh increased by Rs 50 and were currently quoting at 28,600 rupees per ton. The offers of MS ingots at Raipur market were at 24,600 rupees per ton, while for Muzaffarnagar it was at 27,200 rupees per ton. Thank you for listening. To join me again tomorrow for the latest updates from the metals market. To visit metalsupdate.com for more information and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.